In this video, you will see how easy it is to dive into SQL without setting up anything. You just need to know one command. Watch the following story to find out. Hello.
Hi.
Jay.
Yes,
So, you're a new intern.
I am.
And what did you want to talk about?
I wanted to ask you, where is our data?
It's all in the database.
Any spreadsheets?
No spreadsheets, just the database.
And what data analysis and visualization tools do we use?
SQL and Python.
Do we have Power BI or Looker or Tableau?
We have no Microsoft or Google tools. You'll have to stick to good old SQL and good Python. You do know SQL, I hope?
Oh yes, absolutely, 100%.
Right. You will need it a lot here, you know?
Of course. No problem at all.
Why don't you show me how well you know it? Share your screen, write some queries.
Sure, how does your calendar look next week?
How about now?
But I have a meeting in 15 minutes.
We can do it in 5 minutes.
But it's best if I show on a live database and I don't have it configured on my laptop yet.
You do have a database.
But I didn't install anything.
You don't need to install anything. Your laptop already has a database, just like billions of other devices. It's called Embedded Serverless SQLite. I will show you. Just launch your terminal and share your screen.
The terminal?
Press Command Space, type terminal and enter. And now share your screen.
1 second.
Now type SQLite 3, enter. So, we're in the database right now. Now you can type SQL commands right here and execute them. And we don't have any data here yet, so let's start by creating a table, let's say called test.
I'm not very familiar with SQLite. Could you remind me what is the syntax exactly?
Create table, test, one column called name, type varchar, another column called nodes, also varchar.
I'm not exactly sure about the correctness of the syntax.
Yeah, so let's correct the syntax. Delete everything except the first two words. Okay. Press Ctrl U.
That's better.
And now type exactly as I say. Create table, test without quotes, round bracket, name without quotes, space, varchar, close the bracket. Good. Now semicolon and enter. Good. No errors, no feedback, means we have just created a table successfully. Okay? Now add some data to it. Type this. Insert into test values bracket single quote J single quote bracket semicolon and enter. Now we have a table with data. Show me how you select everything from the table. Select all from select star star as an asterisk, yeah, from test semicolon enter.
Oh, that's my name. It's in the database. So cool.
Yes, so this is the contents of our table. Now let's add one more column to the table. Type alter table test, add assessment, varchar, semicolon, enter. Good. No errors, it means we have successfully added a second column called assessment. Now let's add data to the table in this new column. Type update test set assessment equals single quote 0 SQL skills, single quote, semicolon, enter.
I have a bad feeling about this.
And now one more useful thing to know. Press key up. See, it brings up your previous command, so that's pretty cool. Press up until you find your select star and then enter.
Uh-oh.
Type delete from test, semicolon, enter. Now up, enter. See, no output. Our table's empty. J is not in the database.
I'm so sorry. I promise I will learn SQL.
Well, show me how fast you learn. Here's what we're gonna do. Type .systemclear without the semicolon, just enter. Now, we're still in the database. We just cleared the screen so you wouldn't see the command history. Show me how you insert yourself back into the table.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah, wait. Yes, I am saved. Oh, 2 columns. Wait. Oh no. Wait, I know. Yes. One more thing. I did it.
Yes, you did it. Although I would say that for sufficient SQL skills, you need a little bit more than to know how to press up. Are you willing to learn?
Yes.
Okay, then find some time on my calendar for our next call. And in the meantime, you can practice embedded SQLite using a very simple cheat sheet that has exactly and only the commands that you need right now. And for you, the other viewers, you can also grab this cheat sheet from the link in the description. And since there will be more videos to come, it might be a good idea to subscribe. Jay, what are you doing?
Sorry.
Type .exit enter. Now type exit enter. We lost Jay, but I'm pretty sure he will be back. I could hear him enjoying the power of knowing SQL and being able to make things happen by typing commands. And if he can do it, you can do it too. See you soon.